Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious jam cookies. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 2 large eggs. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. We'll also use 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and of course, your favorite fruit jam. Having everything measured and ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get to mixing our dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, beat in the 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Stir in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together the 3 cups of flour and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough. With our dough ready, it's time to shape our cookies. For best results, chill the dough in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This makes it much easier to handle. Once chilled, roll small portions of the dough into 1-inch balls. Place these balls onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now, using your thumb or the back of a small spoon, create a shallow indentation in the center of each cookie ball. Finally, carefully spoon about 1/2 teaspoon of your favorite fruit jam into each indentation. This creates that signature jam cookie look. Almost there. Now, let's bake these delightful treats. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your jam-filled cookie dough balls into the preheated oven. Bake them for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Once baked, remove the cookies from the oven and let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade jam cookies with a cup of tea or coffee.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.